Welcome to our video on how to change the ringtone on your iPhone running iOS 17. If you don't like the sound that plays when you receive a phone call and while your iPhone is ringing, then you can easily change it by opening the settings on your device and then find an option called Sounds and Haptics. Once you're here, you will see the ringtone option somewhere in the middle of your screen, so just tap on that option and you will get to this page where you can see a lot of different ringtones from which you can choose from. You can tap on a ringtone to select it, and when the ringtone is selected, you will hear a little preview on how that sounds. So if you like that ringtone, you just want to make sure that it has a little check mark next to it, and that's it. You can exit the settings application, and that sound will be played every time you get a phone call on your iPhone. If you don't like the sounds from the ringtone list and you want to create your own custom ringtone, then I have a video tutorial for that also, and I will leave the video link in the description of this video so you can watch it and learn how to easily make your own custom ringtone for your iPhone. Thanks for watching this video, everyone, and I will see you soon.